Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Ultra mobile eSIM quickly and easily. First, open your phone settings, then tap on cellular or mobile data. Next, scroll down and select Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan. Now you'll see two options. You can either scan the QR code provided by Ultra Mobile or enter the details manually. If you're scanning, simply use your camera to scan the QR code from your Ultra Mobile email or account page. If entering manually, type in the SMDP plus address, activation code, and confirmation code if required. After that, tap Next and your eSIM will be activated in a few moments. Once done, you'll see Ultra Mobile listed under your active plans. And that's it. Your Ultra Mobile eSIM is ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.